Hello everyone, welcome to my Spring Boot JPA tutorial series. So in this context, first of all, we have to know what is Spring Boot. Varieties of answers coming to our picture. Spring Boot is a tool, Spring Boot is a framework, Spring Boot is an open source Java framework specifically used to develop web applications and microservices. Some points I have mentioned. Also, we can develop standalone applications. So, web applications, that is our objective to develop web applications by using the concept of Spring Boot, microservices, building small services known as microservices, where each service is one Spring Boot application. We will see practically. Spring Boot provides an easier and faster way to set up, configure, and run both simple and web-based applications. We will see how the Spring Boot is providing an easier way, faster way to set up. Configuration is very simple. Running, executing a boot application is also very simple. Whatever we will develop the Spring Boot applications. So some points that I have specified, I have presented as Spring Boot features, and these points are one advantages: auto configuration, actor dependencies, and embed servers. We will see auto configuration, how the configuration is done automatically in Spring Boot context. We will see it. We will add some dependencies, how it is configuring with each components of Spring Boot. We will practically see. Okay, so structure dependencies. So while creating a project structure, we are adding some dependencies. Okay, so with respect to problem statement, we are adding some dependencies, and how adding dependencies, simplifying our building configuration that we will see also. Embedded server, this is one of the biggest advantage of Spring Boot. In Spring Boot context, no need to configure server explicitly. Server is already embedded. Okay, so Apache Tomcat is very widely used web server. So to execute web application, so Tomcat is already embedded. We will see. These are some features that I have added, and then we will go to use cases. So Spring Boot can be used to build microservices, web applications, and console applications. Some benefits also I have added. Spring Boot helping to developers in which way get started quickly without spending time on configuration, minimize configuration concerns, creating REST APIs with minimal configuration. In Spring Boot context, we will see to develop how to create REST APIs. Okay, so some advantages, some benefits here I have added. So I hope everybody got clarity. What is Spring Boot? Overall, again, I'm repeating, Spring Boot is an open source Java based framework specifically used to develop web applications and microservices. Nowadays, every industry choosing Spring Boot to develop their web and enterprise applications. So I hope everybody got clarity what is Spring Boot. In my next video, we will see how to download and install Spring Tool Suite environment. So that is the environment where we will develop and execute Spring Boot application. In my next video, we will see. Thank you.